Hi parents and students, I am Mr. Brakovich, your 6th grade math teacher. It is an honor and a privilege to be talking to you in your own home today. Our classroom is going to transition into a new style of teaching and learning called the flipped classroom. In the traditional classroom, you would come into class, listen to a lecture, and try to take notes on it. Then you would go home and do the homework. This is not the most efficient way to learn. We know it to be true that each student learns at his or her own individual pace. Some students need things repeated in the lecture more. They ask, repeat. They ask more questions. And that's perfectly fine. Some students are ready to move on. They're saying, move on. I'm bored with this. I need to do this quicker. I also know that students do get sick. People get sick. They miss class some days. But with the flipped classroom, they won't miss the lecture that happened in class. Also, when students get home, sometimes they're frustrated with the homework. They can't remember what happened in class, or they didn't fully understand the lecture that happened in class. So students are going home and not able to complete the homework. This needs to change. So what does the flipped classroom look like? Essentially, what's being taught in the school will now be taught at home. And what's being done at home, those practice problems, those application problems, will be done in school. This is what the home will look like. Students will be able to take notes at home while watching a video of the lecture that would normally be done in class. When they're at home, they will be given a note sheet. They are expected to fill out this note sheet and have it completed by the next day in class. This will cover the basic material that we are covering for that section. While watching the video, students can pause and rewind so that they can acquire all the information needed in that lesson. Students will now come into the classroom with the basic background knowledge needed to discuss the new math concepts, and we can have rich math discussions with our classroom time. Students can also apply and extend their knowledge to real-world situations in the classroom. If you have any questions, I would like you to look at the FAQ sheet that I sent home about the flipped classroom. If you have further questions, you can also reach me at mbrakovich@esd20.org. Or you can call me. My line here at Springwood Middle School is 630-894-4121. Thank you.